Hi, my name is Nathan Ray, and I'm here at Raleigh Meditation, Raleigh, North Carolina. And I've really enjoyed meditation because before I had many bad habits, and the challenge with a bad habit is when you're not even aware that you have the bad habits. So meditation raised my awareness so that I could begin to throw away those bad habits and create new habits that were much more healthy and much more natural, in line with nature. So it's really helped me to have a more efficient life and more happiness and peace in my life. So I'm very thankful for the method and being able to do this meditation.